You can quickly and easily remove serpentine pulleys on many foreign and domestic passenger vehicles with the Powerbuilt Universal Pulley Puller Kit. This versatile tool fits a wide range of vehicles with press-type pulleys, thanks to jaws that adjust from 1 1/4 inches to 7 inches wide. Combined with multi-length forcing screws, CNC machined interchangeable jaws, and CNC machined forcing screw tips, this handy toolkit is just the ticket for servicing press-type pulleys on a multitude of vehicles. Here's how easy it is to remove a pulley using this high-quality toolkit. First, determine which of the 2 sets of included jaws offer the best fit for your application. The jaws feature built-in detent balls to hold them in place during use. Next, select and install either the tapered or flat-end forcing screw tips included in the kit. For example, on this Honda F23A engine, you'd first install the Powerbuilt Honda crankshaft pulley tool onto the hex portion of the crankshaft pulley. Then you'd use a ratchet and breaker bar to loosen and remove the crankshaft pulley bolt. Next, you'd install the Powerbuilt pulley puller onto the pulley. Make sure you align the serrated puller jaws onto the serpentine pulley grooves. Then tighten the forcing screw to begin removing the pulley. Make sure you hold the pulley and tool during removal, and that's all there is to it. Everything stores in a heavy-duty case, complete with usage instructions and photos for easy reference. Removing press-type serpentine pulleys has never been easier, thanks to the Powerbuilt Universal Pulley Puller Kit.